Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email us, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase, pricing, and availability questions concerning this watch. Today we're discussing a model launched in 2017, and to a lot of folks who grew up in the 2010s and came of age as watch enthusiasts, this is the definitive Rolex dress watch. It is the Cellini Moon Phase, reference 50535 in Ever Rose Red Gold. The watch is an impressive thing to see. As you can see, 39 millimeters in diameter. It's not huge, but it's got a lot of grace. 13.3 millimeters thick from lug tip to lug tip. The watch is 46.2 millimeters with a 20 millimeter spacing between the lugs. We'll throw it on my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference and wears quite nicely, comfortably. It's a bit further down my wrist than it would normally be just because of the glove, but I can recommend this watch for a wrist as small as 14 centimeters circumference. You can see that the lugs are really nowhere near the edge of my wrist, and it is flat enough with a sloped case flanked to slide under a dress cuff. It's a dress watch after all. The timepiece has a lot of grace, and I would even go so far as to say on a strap it's got a character that makes it almost the alternative to something like a Rolex Big 3 sports watch. If you want Rolex quality, but not a watch that looks like all the rest of them, this is a really great way to do that. That's not how Rolex would bill it, but then again, I speak as the 1916 Company, which is why I can say that I happen to love the look of a watch on a strap, and I wish there were more Rolex watches that had this feature. We have a strap here in very dark brown with a semi-gloss finish, a monotone stitch. You can see that the edge is actually folded and very narrowly folded with calfskin on the bottom. This is a brand new Rolex factory strap, and the look is beautiful. Red gold alongside dark brown leather, several different perforations, because of course at the end of the day you have a lot of easy sizing flexibility with this type of strap. A lot of Rolex watches that come on straps, think Daytonas for example, give you a few adjustments inside the clasp, but not this much adjustability. This is a very simple system. You have a pin inside the buckle, and you simply change the anchoring point for a lot more adjustability than you would have with a clasp alone. The clasp itself is a nice piece. It's Ever Rose, just like the case. And then we have a little bit of a lift lock system. You can see the beak and the hook that lock together, and you actually have to articulate the buckle to unlock it, so it's more secure than a traditional friction fit clasp would be. Now the watch has a screw down crown and a 50-meter water resistance rating, so in theory on a water resistant strap you could actually take this safely surface swimming, and you'll note that the case, the bezel, and the crown are all bespoke to the Cellinis. You won't find these on the sports watches, and you can see that to good effect. End on, these are very tall and narrow and fine tapered lugs, unlike the super cases of the sports watches, and then all red gold. So red gold, a high percentage of copper to make it red, and then it is Ever Rose from Rolex because it has a high platinum family content. So platinum family metals like platinum itself, reducing the tendency of the gold to fade to a lighter shade from red to rose or rose to pink. This is Ever Rosy, hence Ever Rose. Similar to Oro Rosso from Panerai, or King Gold from Hublot, or Sedna Gold from Omega. We have a little bit of a combo bezel here with coining and a domed profile, and a very slightly vaulted sapphire over a white lacquer dial, not silver, white. We have gold hands, we have gold Rolex crown, split indices, and then several different scales going on. So the watch features faceted alpha style hands for better contrast against the style base. In the first position, the crown winds, which is nice. In the second position, the crown operates an independently mobile hour hand, so as you travel, you actually don't displace the date, you don't displace the second hand, it keeps ticking along. And you could jump the lunette-style date indicator forward or backwards depending on your travel across the international date line. Pull the crown out all the way, now you activate hacking seconds. Take a good look, we've got a little pusher adjuster on the side for adjusting the moon phase. The dial is white lacquer, but the moon phase disc is actually blue enamel, and then the moon, let's get that focus back there. The moon is a piece of meteorite iron that's been rhodium plated to make it brilliantly white. Inside the watch, though you can't see it through the case back, caliber 3195, bidirectional automatic winding, 4 Hz beat rate, 31 joules, 48-hour power reserve. It has the moon phase, the independently mobile hour hand, the stop seconds function, a 4 Hz movement with a full balance bridge and a free sprung balance for shock resistance, an overcoil hairspring in blue oxidized niobium zirconium alloy for anti-magnetic qualities, and that overcoil is a Breguet profile for isochronous or consistent operation and timing in every physical position with respect to gravity. Rolex going all the way, even creating the lubricants and the shock protection used in its movement, because Rolex is fully vertically integrated. Dials, hands, cases, clasps, bracelets, Rolex makes even the tiny parts of its movement, like the lube and the shock protection, because every part of a modern-day Rolex is Rolex. If you love this watch, reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. Rolex Certified Pre-Owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex Certified standard, and any parts invested, Rolex Factory Original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a certified pre-owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note, this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company. The certified pre-owned program: care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.